Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review here, and today I've got a product from TOTU. This is their Bluetooth workout earbuds. You can check these out on Amazon at the time of this review for $19.99 is their normal price. They actually just did a lightning deal where you could get these for $10.24, which is actually a great deal. We're going to dig into these right now, so sit back and relax, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what you get when you open the box. You're going to get several different components here that we're going to go over really quickly, starting with the charge cable. Now, this is a standard USB to micro USB charge cable. It is fairly short, but you can use any USB to micro USB charge cable that you have. So if you have a longer one, you can use that. Now, you can plug this into any USB on your laptop or your PC to charge it up, or you can use your phone's wall to USB adapter. They give you extra stabilizers here in case you need to switch those out. Those are to actually hook inside your ear along with the press-in style to actually give you a better fit, a little bit more stabilization when you're running, maybe jogging or working out. They also give you extra ear tips in two different colors, the red color that they already have there and a black color in case you don't like that red color. And you can see that they give you some larger ones and some smaller ones. Now the medium ones are already pre-installed on this unit. As you can see here. Now you can remove those stabilizers if you don't want them and you just want to use them as press-ins. We'll take a look at the user manual, and this is a pretty cool user manual. It's all in English and it's well laid out. Multi-pairing is available on this so that you can actually pair this up to two different devices. So if you wanted to pair it up for your home phone and your business phone, you could do that and you can use them for both. It's got some other operations on how to cancel calls and reject calls, mute your microphone. It's all written in English and it's well laid out, so check it out. The specifications on this, it has a CSR 8635 version 4.0 plus EDR Bluetooth. Profiles are headset, hands-free, A2, DP, and VRCP. Operating distance is that standard 10 meters we see with Bluetooth. Talk time is about 4 to 6 hours, although I got over 6 hours when I tested up closer to 8 hours. Standby time is 150 hours. Charging time, it takes about an hour and a half, so that's really decent for the charging. And of course, that port is micro USB. I'd hold on to this for reference. Now, looking at these, the first thing I want to mention with these is it has a flat ribbon style tangle-free cable. And this is really nice because if you kind of just coil it up and throw it in a gym bag or a backpack, you're not going to have any problems with the cord getting tangled on you. So it'll be easy just to take it out and use them right away. You're going to take a look at both sides, and they look exactly the same except for the volume rocker. Now, that volume rocker is going to be the side that has the multifunction button and the LED. So that's how you can tell right there. The button on the other side does nothing. It's just for aesthetics. There's a little LED there for power and everything, along with your volume rocker on the top side there. On the bottom side, there is a micro USB port behind a little flap, and that's where you will charge the unit. So you can use this for volume up and volume down. You can also use it to change your tracks forward or reverse. Now, if you hold down the multifunction button for 4 to 6 seconds, you're going to see that it's going to blink blue and red. So when the LED blinks blue and red, you're in pairing mode. It's super simple to pair this. We're going to pair it up with the Galaxy Note 8 that I happen to have here, and I'm going to bring it down, go into Bluetooth, and now that it's in pairing mode, it should show up in available devices really quickly, and it does. It just says TOTU, and we're going to click on pairing, and you're going to notice that this pairs super fast. That was really fast. Connector for call and media audio, so we are set and ready to go. Overall, let's talk about sound. Now, these had a really good sound to them. Not an incredible amount of bass, but enough to enjoy music while you're running, working out, or doing what you need to do. I also did test calls on this, and the microphone underneath did a really good job at picking up my voice. People didn't have any problems hearing my voice during voice calls. The press-in style with the stabilizers worked very well when I was doing a workout or something something like that, just running around in general use. I don't even need the stabilizers, just the press-in style alone works for me. You can remove those stabilizers if you don't want them, but they do help a little bit, and everybody's ear shape is different. The multifunction button and volume up and volume down buttons are very easy to get to and reach and use. Intuitive. Once you know which one is volume up and volume down, you'll be able to do it very easily. So overall, I think TOTU did a great job on these. They're at a decent price, $19 on Amazon. You'll have that link in the description below. Overall, a decent sound quality, good mic for phone calls, and a pretty nice battery for such a small unit. I am impressed with this, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up, and we're going to take this to the end of the review. Okay, so that is my review of the TOTU Workout Bluetooth headphones. You can check them out on Amazon, again, for $19.99 at the time of this review. If you want to check out their website, you can check them out at www.iple.com as well. They have other products up there that you might be interested in. Overall, these are a very solid set of workout earbuds for $19.99. They have good call quality, good music quality, and a pretty good battery life for such a small unit. I like the tangle-free cable on it in case I want to throw it in a backpack or a gym bag. I don't have to worry about it getting tangled up. And you can get it in 3 different colors as well. That black and red, all black. I think there's a blue, and I think there is also a green. So if you want to accessorize, you can do so as well. Again, Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about these, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.